having mental breaks along with breakdowns ever since that day that you went and told me how it's just another game. How are you so cynical? I didn't know that you were just like them. When I look around me, everything is all the same. I won't never let this go. Wait until the final show, where I'm shedding all my clothes. Come and see me head to toe. Haven't been awake this long, but I'd rather just be gone. I'll need another wake-up call, or something that'll keep me moving on. I might try your meditation. Maybe that'll rid of all the stress. But come and see how everything just circles in the end. I don't know how to tell you this, but the situation's getting really weak for me.
It's Thursday and I'm very excited about today's activity. Let me give you some background information while I'm on my way to our destination. Back in Germany, I bought meat from a farm that was close to my city. The meat was organic and the farmers showed me the animals and told me how they lived there. Because of some intolerances, meat and fat is my main energy source. I don't like the idea of factory farms and tried out some alternatives. The best one was buying my meats directly from the farmers and know how the animals actually live on the farm. Now that I'm living in Austria, I also wanted to find farmers I can buy meat from and learn how their animals are raised. Luckily, we found a sign on one of our walks, which was just a price list. We looked up the website of the farm and got curious. Also, we ordered meat to try out, and the farmer offers a small tour. I couldn't resist and asked for a tour when it was time to pick up our meat. The farmer's name is Thomas and he crossbreeds Angus and Wagyu beef on his farm. His animals are on the Alps all summer, and when the animals are at home, he opens the stable every day that they can go outside if they want to. Today it was very cold, so all the cattle stayed inside and cuddled with each other. A little over 30 cattle live on his farm, and they get hay to eat over winter. Thomas Bull is a pure Angus and he has 2 or 3 purebred Wagyu cows. All the others are crossbreed. He told me that back in the days he and his family were thinking how they can stand out from the market and got the idea of this crossbreed. Typical for our region are Tyrolese grey cattle. So having a mix between Angus and Wagyu is a very special breed in my opinion. I really enjoyed petting them after they got the courage to get close to me. Some of them had a fun hairstyle and I really want to paint it. Thomas also showed me his Haflinger horses and his chickens. The horses are outside the whole year. One of them was inside for a wash and always called hervor. We had some very nice conversations and I also met Thomas' family. After some filming and talking, my boyfriend picked me and our new meet up. At home, I processed it and sealed it into bags. I really like that Thomas doesn't pre-pack the meat. Okay, except the frozen ground meat he has in stock. Sadly, I had to pack it into plastic bags, but I'm still researching other ways to freeze more plastic-free. We already tried the meat and it's super juicy. It doesn't really need any seasoning and has a very nice texture. I didn't film the cooking process, but here's a picture of the burger I made. We will definitely order again and come back for another visit if Thomas allows it.
Take me home, go down the road we know. Feel the wind as we're going. I like spending these moments with you. Drive around, laughing all the best we know how. Broken tires, hard in June, but I like spending these moments with you. Out of place, out of focus, all these sweet little moments with you. Out of this place, out in the waves, it's first. Far from this place, in the morning I wait, have you heard? If it's dancing in the rain, spending lazy days to staying out late. All the things that I do, all these little moments, I'm glad I get to spend them with you. Moments with you, moments with you. Now far we go to wonders and places unknown. I see clearer roads, they are familiar when I'm with you.
Whenever it's early twilight, I watch till a star breaks through. Well, funny, it's not a star I see, it's always you. Whenever I roam through roses, me it's not a rose I touch, it's always you. Well, if a breeze caresses me, it's merely you strolling by. If I hear a melody, it's merely the way you sigh. Wherever you are,